missing, dead or alive. Not
Good. What you cooking, Mom? It smells so good.
PAKBET. Knockers. That's bad.
Get it. Oh my god. Push. Keep pushing.
Sa karne.
Oh, now it's in each. Plus, I can rebuild the piece. Over here. That's
I recommend you not coming to our village, beef boss.
Does he have a bed? Does he have a check? No. Can you check the
No, I know. He's a forager. I would never remember, but he's a forager without checking.
They just walk everywhere and they don't come back. Like I've seen Beef Boss 90% of the time and he's mostly like at your house and mostly at my farm. Like those. Go a ton! I was finding like a name for the glowing skeletons and I just got glow a ton and then just, you know what I mean. Pretty.
Yeah.
Whoopee. And now, you use the wrong piece. That's why I'm unable to build we aren't able to build the wheels. Sergey. That's why it's like, the game was like, hell no, I'm not letting you place that. And I'm stuck inside of my own thing now. There we go, finally! This thing works! This thing will work! And run.
Kain na tayo.
Why?
Lance.
Where's time?
Mamaya ka na kumain.
Okay.
Let's eat.
Sarap na